Hi everyone. In today's video, you will learn how to add watermarks behind text using PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample PDF document with multiple pages and will add watermarks behind the text using PDF.co. So let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, let's proceed to the action step and select the PDF.co app. And choose the PDF Filler API option. Let's set up the PDF filler to generate empty PDFs and add customized watermarks to them. First, navigate to the Text Objects field, and input the desired X and Y coordinates where you want to add the watermark. You can use the PDF.co PDF Helper tool to easily get the coordinates on the PDF document. And specify the range of PDF pages that you want to generate and ensure that you input the watermarks text along with the preferred font size, font style, and font color. Once you have completed the setup process, click the Test Action button to view the result of your PDF filler action. The test was successful and received a temporary URL. You can now open this URL in your preferred browser to view the generated PDFs with the added watermarks. Here is the generated PDF with added watermarks looks like. We create blank PDFs and add a watermarks to ensure that it is clearly visible without obscuring any important text or graphics. To prevent the issue of repeated pages, we will proceed with splitting the original PDF document into separate pages. By doing so, we can ensure that each page is displayed correctly and that there are no duplicates or other errors in the final output. In this step, we will add another app to our workflow and select PDF.co app. And choose the PDF splitter option to divide the document into separate pages. This will allow us to process each page individually and ensure that there are no duplicates or other issues in the final output. Let's set up the PDF splitter. First, input the direct URL of your original PDF document. If you are utilizing a file, you may utilize PDF.co's file storage service to convert your file into a URL that is exclusively for PDF.co use. Secondly, let's use an asterisk symbol to include all page ranges of the PDF document. Once you have configured the PDF splitter as desired, it is essential to test the action to ensure that the desired outcome is achieved. The test was successful and the PDF files were successfully split from the original PDF document. We will utilize these PDF files to embed them into the blank pages of the PDF document. Now, let's add an application to seamlessly embed the PDF files into the blank pages of the PDF document. In this step, let's select the PDF.co app. And select the PDF filler option to embed the PDF files into the empty pages of the PDF document with ease. Let's configure the PDF filler action. First, select the output URL from the PDF filler API. Next, let's add the coordinates along with the corresponding URLs from PDF Splitter. Then, specify your preferred output file name. We can now perform a test run of the PDF filler action to ensure that it has been set up correctly. The test was successful. You can now copy the temporary URL and paste it into your web browser to view the output. This will allow you to confirm that the PDF files have been successfully embedded into the empty pages of the PDF document. Here's the PDF document with a watermark that has been added successfully using the powerful combination of PDF.co and Zapier. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.